Hello GHC students. In this video I'm going to show you how to take a quiz in D2L. Once you are in the course that you need to take the quiz for, at the top of the page you're going to see assessments. On the drop-down menu you will go down to quizzes. Here's your quiz list. There are a few important things to pay attention to on this page. The description will let you know basically what is in the quiz, perhaps how many questions, and this will change depending on your professor. Your time allowed is very important. Mine says unlimited, but you can be timed, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or an hour, depending on what your professor wants to give you. Another important thing is your attempts. This shows how many times you are allowed to take the quiz, and it'll also show you how many times you've taken it. Your instructions are very important as well, and again, this will be something that will change depending on your professor. Okay, let's get this quiz started. Once you reach this, you will see over in the left-hand corner the amount of questions you have. Up at the top, it looks like a timer up here. This will count down depending on how much time you have. I'm also going to show you what these little dashes here are. Once you select your answer, you'll see up here it says saved. And you'll notice here there's a check mark now instead of the dashes. That means that your question, your answer has been saved. If it still looks like this after you've answered it, that means that it has not been saved and you will not get credit. So you may have to go back and hit it again to make sure it saves. I'm going to go through and answer these. I'm going to get some of these intentionally wrong so I can show you what that looks like at the end. And you'll notice as I go, these little check marks will show up because they are being saved. Okay, I am at the end of my quiz. I'm going to double check that I have all check marks here, and I'm going to submit my quiz. Here you will get a submission confirmation. It's asking you if you are sure that you want to submit your quiz. If at this point you feel that you may have gotten a question wrong, you can go back to your questions. But I feel confident, so I'm going to submit my quiz. Once here, this is going to show you what you made on the quiz. So I got 6 out of 10 correct, and I made a 60 on this quiz. If you go back, if you have another chance to take the quiz again and you make a higher grade, you will get the highest grade out of any that you've taken. And this is how you take a quiz in D2L.